Hello guys, welcome back. In this course, we are going to be looking at what are Python statements. Now, statements are used in Python to call functions, to assign values, to print out text strings in the Python console. So basically, we are going to be looking at four types of statements in this tutorial. So first, we are going to be looking at the print statement. After that, you're going to be looking at the assignment statement, and then the conditional statement, and then finally we are going to be looking at the loop statement. And so, for example, we are going to be looking at an example of a print statement. So this is an example of a print statement when we print out strings text to the Python console. So here I can call this a print statement, and we can run this code in the Python console. And here we are. So this is an example of a print statement in Python where you can print out text to the Python console. You can print out numbers. You can print out integers. And so this is an example of a print statement. So next, we're going to be looking at an example of an assignment statement. So an assignment statement is used to assign value. So for example, we are going to assign the value 5 to be stored in X, and by doing that we use the equal to sign. So we're going to say X should be equal to 5, and with that it means that we are assigning 5, we are telling 5 to be stored in X. And also we can assign another value, and then when we can also print this out to the Python console, and we can run this code to see the output here. And also there's another way which we can print out this statement on a single line. We do that by using a semicolon. And then you can see that we can run this code and it will still print out the value of X plus Y to the Python console. So our next example will be the conditional statement. And so when we run this code, you will see that it will use the condition given here to print out X is greater than Y. And so, for example, if X should be less than Y, you see that nothing will be printed out to the Python console because no condition has been given when X is less than Y. So when we run this code, you see that nothing will be printed out. So you are going to use the else to give it a condition to print when X is less than Y. So when we hit on the play button, you will see that it has printed out the value of X is less than Y. So for example, if we increment the value of X and then print the code again, you will see that to print the first statement, X is greater than Y. And so next we are going to be looking at the looping statement. So we are going to be looking at the for loops, and the for loop is used in Python to loop through or to iterate through a sequence. So we are going to be looking at a short example of the for loop. And so this is an example of a for loop, and then we're going to run this code. And so you will see that it has printed out the value of X, which is each of the items in the list people. So this is an example of the looping statement in Python. So there are other loops in Python, which is the while loop. And in the next tutorials that are coming ahead, I'll be explaining all about the conditional statement, the looping statement. I'm going to also explaining about the if else statement, which is an example of a conditional statement, the if else if statement, the looping statement, the while loops, the for loops. So thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, you can drop your question in the comments section. If you have any contribution, you can contribute. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.